Moving on. The next question, again I am setting the timer. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. The question says an ideal transformer has 400 primary turns, 600 secondary turns. If the primary is connected to 800 volt source, the secondary has a load of 24 kilowatt and the secondary is tapped at 500 turns, across which we have a load of 20 kVA. We need to find the power factor, primary current and real power input to the primary. Come on guys, let me see how many of you can solve this. Come on guys, I want to find the answer. I want all of you to get the correct answers. The timer is running in front of you. Acha, tell me one thing, do you like this pattern where the timer is running? Do you like this? Neha, basically these questions, many questions I am translating to MSQs. I am making MSQs myself. I am taking some standard questions that I have and I am modifying them to convert them to MSQ. Okay, guys, now less than 40 seconds remaining. Less than 40 seconds remaining. Come on, everybody. $20 seconds remaining, guys. 20 seconds. Okay, so the time is up. See, ideal transformer has 400 primary turns, 600 secondary. The primary is connected to 800 volt source and the secondary has two load, a resistive load of 24 kilowatt and it is tapped at 500 turns, across which we have a purely inductive load as well. So guys, how is the circuit? Basically, let me draw the circuit for you. This question can be done without circuit as well, but still let me draw the circuit for you. We have the 400 primary turns and we have the 600 secondary turns. Now the secondary is tapped at 500 turns, across which we have a purely inductive load like this, and across the complete secondary we have a purely resistive load as well. Okay guys, this is the circuit, but now again it is an ideal transformer and we have power given to the load. So what I'll do is I'll apply power conservation. How power conservation? I'll say the input apparent power is basically equal to the real power consumed by the load and the reactive power consumed by the load. That is 24 kilowatt. Now you will say कि sir inductive load में जो power है वो तो kVA में दी है. Inductive load power is in kVA. You are writing in kVAR. My friend, when there is a purely inductive load, then its reactive power is equal to apparent power. It does not consume any real power. So Q is equal to S. That is why it is Q. Now once we have S in, this is the complex power. The apparent power is the magnitude, that is 24 square plus 20 square. Now this power is root 976 is nothing but what? It will be 800 into I. So if you check, I will come out to be 39.05 ampere. But the real power input is same as the real power in the load, 24 kilowatt. So none of the option for real power will match the answer. Let me check once again. Yeah, so the answer would be A. The answer would be A. Is that clear? None of the other option will match. This value that is given is apparent power, not real power. That is why I specifically gave this option, because many people will find the apparent power and they will mark C as well. But no, my friends, real power is 24 only. So there is no option which says P equal to 24. Hence only one option is correct, A. Okay, try the next one. Try the next one. A very simple question. I'll give you 90 seconds for this. A very simple question. You have 90 seconds. Come on. The timer is running. Come on, everybody. If you want me to repeat any solution, watch the video again later on or rewind the video. Come on, guys. This year we are going to crack GATE 2021 with the top ranks, remember. We are going to crack GATE 2021 with top ranks, the Creatrix YouTube family. Srini Joy, we are conducting daily one session from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. I think that is more than sufficient. Daily 1 hour practice of MCQ, MSQ, NAT. Daily 1 hour, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Different educators are taking Monday. Shankar sir, Tuesday, Kamesh sir, Wednesday, Vishal sir, Thursday, me, Friday, Prameet sir, Saturday, Sarma sir. So every educator once per week is taking such session. So my friend, you can practice here. Now, I am getting 2 answers I have got till now. Only Ashish and Lakshman. Anurag has answered. Come on, guys. All of you can crack this question. This is very easy. This is very easy. Okay, the answers have started coming from everybody. Now the time is up. Let us see. What it says, an ideal audio frequency transformer has a 60 ohm resistive load to an electronic circuit represented by a constant source of 5 volt, a constant source of 5 volt in series with an internal resistance of 3000 ohm. This is the electronic circuit. Now, it is asking find the transformer turns ratio. Find the transformer turns ratio so that maximum power is transferred to the load. Now many people got trapped in this. See, if suppose this is n is to 1. Now what do we know? What do we know? What do we know for maximum power transfer? The load resistance must be equal to source resistance. So if you refer the load resistance on the primary side, what it will become? It will become 60 n square. Now I'll say it should be equal to 3000. So what I'll say is 3000. So n is root 50. Okay, that is n is to 1 is root 50 is to 1. But the ratio can also be taken as opposite. The ratio can also be taken as opposite, in which case it will be root 2 by 10. So this question can have 2 answers, B and D. B and D. Now guys, the transformation ratio. If it was asking transformation ratio, it is always HV by LV, but this turns ratio can be HV by LV or LV by HV. It can be both. Okay, it can be both. So the answer will be B and D. B and D. Is that clear? So that is the trick. That is the trick in this question.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.